In this video, I will show you how to get more video views by promoting your videos on YouTube community page. So let's get started with the video process. First, having logged into YouTube account, we need to click the create icon in the top. And again, we need to click create post tab, which will take us to channel community page. Here, we need to click the video option. And in this page, we can select the video we want to promote on community page. Before publishing the video post, we need to enter a suitable title for the video. And finally, click the post button. The video post will be published in community tab immediately. We can confirm the same by refreshing the community page in our channel. And here it is, our channel video we promoted. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope it will be of help to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.